Let's take a look at what is happening in the markets. And of course, we start off with the JSE that has extended its rally that we saw yesterday. So still quite a lot of optimism there in the local markets. Of course, we did also have investors digesting the May consumer inflation print, which remains steady at 5.2%, unchanged from April. So we are seeing, of course, a sea of green over there today as well, with the all share gaining more than 1.5%. That being led mostly by the Resources 10 complex with an advancement of more than 2%. Financial 15 also eking out gains of more than 2/3%, and the Industrial 25 climbing more than 1%. The U.S. markets won't be showing today as they are on holiday, but of course we did have a close yesterday with another rally there, the S&P 500 reaching another record high. Of course, this being fueled by NVIDIA also reaching new highs and surpassing Microsoft's market cap. That market cap there standing at $3.34 trillion. Let's take a look at what is happening across the Atlantic, and on that front, as we're also digesting the inflation print for May, so did UK investors and consumers. We did actually have the May inflation print. They're doing exactly what the Bank of England has been waiting for it to do, reaching the 2% target. So, of course, that comes a day before the Bank of England comes out with its latest interest rate decision tomorrow. Actually quite a mixed picture over there, mostly red. The FTSE 100 being the only bourse there in the green with a gain of almost 0.1%. The CAC 40 leading the losses there with a decline of more than 0.7%, and the DAX declining by almost 1/3%. Let's take a look at what is happening on the currency scene and start off with how the Rand is doing against some of the major currencies. The Rand really firing on back below that 18 Rand level against the US dollar, now standing at 17 Rand 96, against the pound at 22 Rand 85, and against the euro at 19 Rand 30. Let's check in on how the other currency pairs are doing, starting off with the euro dollar at 1.07, pound dollar at 1.27, and the yen just below 158 against the US dollar.